So in this diagram, all the dimensions are given in mm. So even though if it looks complicated, this drawing can be drawn very simply by taking the center of all the circles and using the tangent radius option and trim color command, and finally the hatch command to draw the section lines. We can complete the drawing easily. So initially the units and limit commands are set. For our convenience, zoom command and pan command can be used. Circle using radius and diameter option, and circle using tangent and radius option should be used. So here we can see lot of arcs are there. So these arcs are connected between two arcs, three arcs. So we can use the circle with tangent radius. And for editing commands like trim, copy, extend, lengthen can also be used. For changing the line color, you can use bylayer command. Line type and line weight also you can use the bylayer command. And finally, the cross lines, section lines can be drawn using the hatch command, boundary hatch command. So a complete drawing should. So in this diagram, all the dimensions are in mm. So initially you can start the drawing from the lower left corner. Pick the line at 80 angle 0. Then line and both the sides 10 mm. Similarly from this side you can draw a line of 10 mm. You can close this line, and the height of this line 54 mm from the center line. So from this point the maximum height is 55. From the base it is 65. So you can use offset command, set 27 on the both the sides. So from this line, this side, this line, this side, you can use trim command and remove the unwanted lines. Select this line, right, and you can use fillet command. Radius option 8 mm. So select the first line and select the next line. Similarly, this side, select the first line to the second line, and circle command, control right click from the base at 65 angle 90. The center point is fixed. So radius of 16 and radius of 27. Draw the two circles. Right. Similarly, circle, control right click from this center of the circle 28 mm at 28 angle 90. So the radius is 7. Similarly, circle, control right click from the base point at 120 angle 90. Fix the point. The circle diameter is 26, so radius is 13. So same center point, you can fix it here and draw the radius as 22. Bigger circle. Now draw the circle, control right click from this center point at 27 angle 0. The radius is 7. Similarly, control right click from at 27 angle 180. So they can use mirror and select this point and center this point. Select the points. Same thing, outside radius is 13, so use center. This is center and radius is 13. Similarly, this center radius is 13. So the extremities are drawn. So this radius is 9. So I can use cylinder circle TTR option. So select this line, this circle, and radius is 9 mm. Similarly, you can use same circle command. Right click TTR option. Select this circle and radius 9. All the things are drawn now. So I can use the trim command to remove the unwanted parts. So trim, enter, remove. I am removing all the unwanted circles. This point is not, this circle is not needed, this circle is not needed. So this circle is not needed. This is not needed. This is not needed. This is not needed. Click enter. So radius is 16. So I can use circle, TTR, tangent 16. Similarly, use circle, tangent 16. So to create, you can delete this later. You can draw this to avoid the confusions. So inner circles can be deleted to avoid confusions. This circle also deleted to avoid the confusion. Now you can use the trim command. This thing is there. This thing is can remove. This thing you can remove it. Right, and there is this curve coming like this. You can delete this, delete this, delete this point, delete this point. Similarly, you can trim this line. And remove this part. Circle, right click, tangent radius. This is one tangent, this is another tangent, radius is 16. So we can use trim command, enter, draw this. Once one portion you can get it, means we can delete the other things. You can use mirror command, MIRROR, enter. Select this part, right click, fix the mirror line, and enter. And you can use trim command to remove the unwanted lines. Similarly, you can use trim command, right click. So this portion is not needed, you can remove it. Similarly, this portion is also not needed, you can remove it. So the outer boundary is done now. Now you can use circle command. You can use circle command. You can find the center of the circle. So the radius is 7 mm. Similarly, you can draw here also, radius is 7 mm. 7 mm, and circle, control right click, from this center of the circle at 28, angle 90, 7 mm radius circle is drawn. So all the things are drawn. So here I want to draw the rectangular slot here, so which is at the center. So for your line, you can use the line command, which is 15 mm above. So from here you can use 15 mm. So from this point you can draw the line command. From here 4 mm, 4 mm, height is 20 mm, this side 8 mm, line from this center 4 mm, height is 20 mm, so it is 8 mm, 20 mm, 4 mm. So this part is done. This reference line can be deleted. Now drawing is completed. Finally, we want to hatch the command. So hatch is nothing but it is a sectional view. So there is a command symbol called bhatch or boundary hatch. Select it. Select the type as custom. Go for select the ISO patterns or predefined patterns, hatch patterns, whatever you need. OK. Select the points. Select it. Right click. Preview it. So this line is done. I want to adjust the things, so I can select it, right click, properties. In the properties you can find out the scale. You can enter as 5 or 10 or 2. You can enter the convenient scale, and the drawing is completed. And you can dimension it using the regular procedures, using the annotate and dimension, align. You can zoom in and zoom in this side, this edges, select it, pick wherever you need. Similarly, you can select the same command. Then you can use radius command for this fillet. And use the align command for dimensioning the slot is inside. Same dimension, align, and dimension all the parameters that is given in the base drawing. Dimension, dim linear, sorry, dim aligned from the base point then from the center of the circle, to the baseline. Similarly, from the center of the circle, topmost center of the circle, so we have made one modification. Can delete the hatch and draw the circle. So here you can draw the circle of diameter 26, so radius is 13. So you can use radius, dim radius for this, marking this. Select all the radius, whatever you need. Then finally you can apply the bhatch command. The hatch and gradient command window will open. Select it, go for preview, right click, select the scale 0.25. You can go for preview. Once it is set, right click to confirm. Thank you.